Good morning, guys. Morning. Tulog pa ang bibigyan ni Mommy. Pero mamaya gigising na yan. Musta po ang buhay? Mga buhay-buhay natin. Ay, mamaya. Ang pangit ng mukha ko. Ay. May babangon na din ako. Naantay ko lang si baby girl. Ang baby girl natin. Tulog pa siya. Uy, ano yun? Ang baby girl niya. Naantay ko lang mamaya. Gising siya. Dito pa kami sa gaan. Yung mag-ama ko andun na sa baba. Basta ang buhay nyo dyan. Mga buhay-buhay natin. Maganda yan yung araw nito tulad kahapon. Kahapon medyo ba, paambon. Ayun, yung araw na. Bukas na ako maglalaba. Happy blessed Wednesday today is July 3, I think. Yeah. Kumusta kayo? May babangon ako. Magluto ng breakfast. Kasi yung asawa ko nag-work ngayon. Start na siya mag-work. Maya busy na din yun. So tayo, mabibusy din tayo. Gumaing bahay. Yun na yung like ko. Everyday routine. Paulit-ulit. But I'm happy. I'm happy just like this. I enjoy my life. Salamat tayo. Ang ganda yung ano natin. Wala na po. Gising na ikaw? Gising na ikaw dito? Ito may baby girl. Oh, gising na yan. Oh, hindi pa siya gising daw. Hindi pa siya gising daw. Guys. Maya pa daw siya, guys. Naantok pa daw siya. Maya na lang, guys. Kain. Breakfast yan. Oh. Hi guys, can you say hi guys? Baby. Maya na guys. See you. Thank you for watching guys. Hi guys.
Hi, Dad.
It's my breakfast, mommy.
Okay.
Okay, mama na, dali.
Okay.
Morning guys. Oh, kain tayo. Sige na, dali. Mama na. Wow, ang sarap. May banana. Banana. Sarap, daddy. Sarap. Raisin with banana. Oh my God.
It doesn't actually have bananas in it, it just has banana flavoring.
I like your pancake. Kain nga. Kain guys. Yay! Hi!
Hi.
breakfast. Ako? Hi. Good. Yan laya. Kuha na camera kay giisugod pa yan.
I hear the beat.
Mama laki. Oh, mama. Kita mo guys na.
It's in my chest.
Eat.
Got me feeling some kind of
Sweet
way.
sila guys.
I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh,
Ay, nabusog
the
pa lang ito.
melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's
Oh, wait
pumping
lang.
so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Eat pancakes, bro.
Thank you.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love,
Bye guys.
baby.
Say bye guys.
And if when the music plays, I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Kain tayo. So good, baby.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee.
No.
It's the soundtrack to my